Dear children, today we are going to learn about the sentence and the kinds of sentences. Before going into the topic, let me explain what is sentence actually. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A group of words. We can see three main things in a sentence. The first one is, it gives a complete thought or ideas. It gives a complete thought or ideas. For example, blue sky is the. Is it giving any meaning? No, it is not giving a meaning. So it is not called a sentence. Now we have to arrange them in a correct order to give a complete sense. The sky is blue. Now it is giving a complete sense. So it is called a sentence. The second one is, the sentence should have subject and a verb. Sometimes in a sentence there will not be a subject, but that is understandable. For example, keep the book here. Here there is no subject, but you is understandable here. You is subject, keep is a verb. You keep the book here. The third one, it gives a different meaning, like a statement, questions, command, exclamation. So it gives different kinds of meanings. So one more thing we should remember while we are writing a sentence, that is, the sentence begins with a capital letter and end with the full stop. And also, according to the meaning of a sentence, the sentence it will finish with a question mark as well as exclamation mark. Now let us see the kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. There are four kinds of sentences. The first one, let us see now, assertive sentence. We can call it assertive or declarative sentence. It will state or declares something. It will state or declares something. They are called simple sentence because they will not express any kind of feeling or ideas or questions. So they are called a simple sentence. In assertive sentence, we can see two types. One is affirmative sentence and another one is negative sentence. This affirmative sentence will show the positive statement. Always it will show the positive statement. For example, he works hard. They are playing. She is studying. Now let us see the negative sentence. For example, she is not a good singer. They are not playing well. She is not studying well. So this negative sentence always contains not. These kinds of sentences will begin with the capital letter and end with the full stop. Now let us see the interrogative sentence. These kinds of sentences will ask the question. For example, what is your name? Have you finished your homework? These kinds of sentences will begin with a capital letter and end with a question mark. Now third one, the imperative sentence. The imperative sentences will express a command, request, order or advice. For example, open the door. We are ordering someone to open the door. Please lend me your book. We are requesting someone to give their book. Keep your room clean. We are advising someone to keep their room clean. So these kinds of sentences are called imperative sentence. Sometimes we will confuse between assertive or imperative sentence. What is the difference between assertive or imperative sentence is, These assertive sentences are called simple sentence. They will not express any idea or feelings or questions. But this imperative sentences always will express a command, request, order or advice. So these kinds, both the kinds of sentences will begin with a capital letter and end with the full stop. Now let us see the last one, the exclamatory sentence. The exclamatory sentence will express a strong and sudden feelings such as feeling of joy, anger, surprise, wonder, etc. For example, wow, what a game. We are wondering about a game here. So this is a exclamatory sentence. What a lovely morning it is. We are feeling joy to see the lovely morning. So here we are expressing our joy. So it is a exclamatory sentence. These kinds of sentences also will begin with the capital letter and end with the exclamation mark. Thank you.